We discussed UltraFlex 8000 FEG in the last class. Now go for the advanced version in the UltraFlex, that is a 10 FEGA. UltraFlex 10 FEGA. Here, the push for speed in all electronic equipments has driven designers to relentlessly integrate as much of the design as possible. Okay, so to improve the speed of the components or equipment, this is a tough task to the design engineers. Okay, consequently, advanced FPGAs now have distributed or block memory on the same chip. So previously, UltraFlex 8000 FPGA speed is not sufficient to drive all the equipment. That is why we are going to improve the speed by using UltraFlex 10 FPGA. That is why this is advanced FPGA. Okay, so to improve the speed is a big task for the design engineers. Consequently, advanced FPGAs now have distributed or block memory on the chip, block memory on the same chip. Here, the PLDs, even when accompanied by a register cell, are not efficient implementations of memory. For the memory, we are using some circuits; those are not efficient for the implementation. Consequently, advanced FPGAs combine two structures, one for logic and one that implements embedded memory efficiently. Here, we are going to combine two structures, one for logic and one for the implementation. One for logic and one for the implementation. That is a embedded programmable chip integration. That is embedded memory efficiently. If you combine both logic and implementation separately, then the speed can be improved. UltraFlex 10 devices are intended to support system on programmable chip integration in a single device that has logic implementing the equivalent of up to 2000 gates. Sorry, 2 lakhs gates. 2 lakhs gates we can embed it on a single chip. That is nothing but SoC, system on chip. System on chip. So because of that, we are going to increase the speed. Okay. So this UltraFlex 10 FPGA devices are intended to support system on programmable chip integration. That is a SoC, system on chip, in a single device that has logic implementing the equivalent of 2 lakhs gates. 2 lakhs are typical gates. Those are 2 input NAND gates. We are using 2 lakhs 2 input NAND gates. The Flex 10 FPGA features dual port on chip memory and operates at a speed compatible with 33 megahertz. Frequency range is 33 megahertz. F is equal to 1 by T. 1 by T. 1 by T. The frequency is 33 megahertz. Then speed is time is 1 by 33 megahertz. So very less time it is taking to program to reach the output. So the Flex 10 FPGA features are dual port on chip memory. This is dual port on chip memory, first point, and the second is the operating speed compatible to the 33 megahertz and 66 megahertz IEEE programmable chip interface local bus specifications. Okay, it is from 33 to 66 megahertz is a clock frequency we are going to use. And table below shows the some significant physical parameters or features of this family. And the 10-plex architecture shown below, similar to the Flex 8000 device, but the Flex 10,000 family includes block ROM, block RAM. That is the only difference. Here we are going to use RAM. Embedded array block, where we are indicating that she see here the previous architecture does not consisting of embedded block arrays, EAB. Here we have embedded block arrays. This is embedded block arrays. Embedded array blocks are block arrays. In between the LBs are LAB, logic array block. This is LAB. This is LAB consisting of 8 logic elements. 8 logic elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, logic array block consisting of 8 logic elements. And in between these LABs, we have embedded array block. Embedded array block. This will increase the speed. Okay, that is the only difference compared with the UltraFlex 8000 family. Okay, the Flex 10,000 architecture shown below, similar to the Flex 8000 device shown in below, but Flex 10,000 family includes block RAM. The architecture consists of an array of embedded array blocks, an array of LABs, and an interconnection fabric. Several LABs and EAB occupy a row. Each LAB contain 8 logic elements, same as the previous one. Yes, and EAB has 2K of RAM memory. Embedded array block is consisting of 2K, 2000, 2K RAM, 2K RAM. 2K RAM. EAB has a 2K of RAM memory and fast track interconnect channels. Channels connect the LABs and EABs and provide global interconnect without making use of switch matrix. With the result, the delays do not depend on the routing. That is why the speed is high. Okay, the IO is can be programmed to serve as input, output, or bidirectional signal path with programmable slew rate of change of voltage with respect to time. That is slew rate to reduce the switching noise. The internal architecture of LAB is as shown below. Logic array block architecture as shown below. Each LE has 4 inputs from the local interconnect. Like this, we have 4 inputs. So each LE, this is one LE consisting of here 2 inputs. This is third input. This is another connection that is consisting of 4 inputs. Each LE logical element consisting of 4 inputs. The internal architecture LAB. This is the LAB architecture. UltraFlex LAB architecture. LAB local interconnect 32 channels. These are internal diagram of the LAB. So this is one LAB. This is one LAB. In this LAB, we have 8 logic elements. This LAB structure is like this. Internal structure is like this. These are 8 logical blocks, and we have LAB local interconnection. From this, we have some multiplexers like this. We are using some multiplexers. Input output blocks, rows and columns. These are rows and columns input blocks. Okay, from this we are going to check the corresponding outputs. LAB on right. Okay. So if you want here also same. If in this architecture, if you want to describe this LAB that is logic array block. Here also you may write the same architecture, the same structure like this. Ultraflex 10 FPGA, or it may be for 8000 lab, same structure. The only difference is EAB we are using for using in Ultraflex 10 FPGA. Remaining all are same. And here we have some features. Typical gates up to 2 lakhs we mentioned. And next maximum system gates 31,000. This is up to 31 lakhs. These are some blocks. Total RAM we are using here, EAB. Okay, those are some features. Clear? That architecture you have to know. Flex 10 FPGA. Similarly, 20 FPGA also. Ultraflex 20 FPGA. Here Ultraflex 20 FPGA also we have advanced. Then next, this is not required. Apex to FPGA. J-Link 64000 series. J-Link 64000 series. J-Link 64000 series.